Diabetes has been plaguing society for as long as we can all remember, but things seem to be getting worse every single day. With high fructose corn syrup being added to almost all processed foods in one way or another, obesity and diabetes statistics have risen to alarmingly high levels. And of course, Big Pharma's solution to the problem is to create and promote more medications to manage the symptoms rather than spend the time and money to find the cure. Because it's all about their bottom line, and the real money is in the treatment. Over the past decade, we've seen many holistic remedy books and courses pop out of nowhere with bold claims of curing diabetes or reversing it. In most cases, these terms mean only one thing. They are all about controlling diabetes to a point where it's not a threat or something that causes ongoing concern. And let's be honest, this definitely is a better option than relying on medication. One of the latest books to address this topic is The Halki Diabetes Remedy by professional researcher Amanda Fearson. The main website for this book has a long and interesting story about how Amanda found a very unique method of keeping diabetes in check. She exposes common lies about managing diabetes and shares with you how people on the small island of Halki rarely get this potentially debilitating disease. She claims that the dressings and sauces used on the foods of the Halki residents have potent properties that help boost one's health and keep diabetes at bay. There has always been a strong link between diet and diabetes, and Amanda's product does have valid claims. The question is, does the Halki Diabetes Remedy work? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.